Therefore, first glance at the amazing new design and outstanding features of the new special Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium Gold. Early next year, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to make a big display highlighting what might be a big change from its forerunners. Recent renders of this flagship gadget show an interesting fresh design that promises to improve Samsung's smartphone architecture to unprecedented levels. Technizo Concepts' fresh exclusive renders based on CAD images from leaks and Tech Insider Ice Universe expose the Galaxy S25 Ultra in an arresting new titanium gold finish. These high-definition pictures show the redesigned layout that sets it apart from past models. Expected to have the tiniest symmetrical bezels ever seen on a Samsung handset, the new forthcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra beats even Apple's premium iPhone 16 Pro Max in this respect. Designed to be lightweight and easy to handle without sacrificing screen or frame size, the top-end smartphone will have a significantly narrow central frame. First speculations indicated that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might not have a S Pen slot. Yet, reports have subsequently confirmed that the gadget will in fact include a S Pen silo. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a flat frame design, offering a flat profile that improves comfort and use. The new frame design is like those of Apple's iPhone models and Google's Pixel 9 series. Not only in terms of appearance but also hardware, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is supposed to be Samsung's most sophisticated gadget yet. Based on Qualcomm's 8th, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 should be the flagship's power source, possibly surpassing the A18 Pro processor of Apple. Early next year is likely the release date. Design highlights include a new titanium gold color, ultra-thin symmetric bezels, and lightweight frame, new upgraded S Pen integration with a dedicated slot, and performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 may be surpassing rivals with its polished design and high-end amazing hardware. Out of all Samsung's endless variety, the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be a unique addition. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.